Speaking airport OT, airport operator, we regularly conduct this type of exercise. In fact, last 2 weeks back, we conducted this building evacuation drill. This is as per the Ministry of Home's instruction. We have conducted a drill with the support of state government as well as the CSF. It was successfully we completed the exercise, and things was, if anything, future. In fact, around 22 airports have been closed in the northern region. There are 2 airports which are, one is Chandigarh and Amritsar airport and Hindon airport. These airports have been flights are regularly from the W airport. There are 2 flights today, it is cancelled. And for tomorrow onwards, we can see that what will be the latest picture. As of today, it is only 2 flights are cancelled.
Today we have simulated an airstrike attack at Margao railway station, which resulted in severe casualties and fire hazard. Overall, total 7 line agencies had reported, and they conducted this rescue operation. Out of this civil defense, around 40 personnel were reported. Electricity, fire and emergency, police, home guards, NCC, KRCL, and 15 members of medicals were deployed.
सर द इम्पॉर्टंट रिजन जे आमी आयज केला ते सिवील डिफेन्स द वॉलंटियर्स आसात तांकां ट्रेन करपा खातीर आनी तांकां जाणा जावन जावपा की असले डिफिकल्ट सिच्युएशनान कशें रिस्पॉन्ड करप. सो आयज आमच्या बरोबर NCCचे कॅडेट्स आशिल्ले, NSS आशिल्ले, सिवील डिफेन्स वॉलंटियर्स आशिल्ले, 100च्या वयर आशिल्ले. सो आनी स्कुलाची भुरगीं थोडी आयिल्लीं. सो दे गॉट टू सी की ड्युरींग अ डिजास्टर और एनी सच इन्सिडेंट कितें करप आसता.